My name is Dan Reese from Zabrana Woodcraft, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make one of these resin and wood iPhone 7 phone cases. Before we go ahead and finish the project, just to let you guys know, if you're interested in finding out about more projects that you can make and sell with wood, and a little bit of a dive into how to make money with woodworking, then I actually wrote a book, bro. I wrote a free ebook. You can get a copy. Follow the link in the description. Join my newsletter. I'll stay in touch with you every month just to give you a few updates and let you know about any courses that I'll be releasing this year, and you get some free stuff. So yeah, I'm going to try and make a phone case out of this. I actually managed to find a phone case blank on eBay. I was looking for these everywhere, but I discovered that if you search for sublimation phone case on eBay, then you get these blanks, which is like the plastic blank with some adhesive, and then there's like a little aluminium template thingy that can stick in there. And the point is that you're meant to be able to print on this bit. But I thought that if I cut up my burl, cast it in some resin, and then cut the shape of this out of it and stick it in there and then polish it down, get a sick phone case. Pretty much the whole reason why I bought this piece of Malee burl is I thought that when it was listed on eBay it looked like Jabba the Hutt. And according to a poll on my Instagram stories, about 80% of you agreed with me as well. I'll be honest, I have no idea where to start cutting this thing, but I'm thinking there's quite a lot here, so hopefully I'll be able to get a few other projects. Maybe some secret wood rings, or some nice resin pendants or something. So I'll just go to the bandsaw, and we'll just do some freestyle choppy muck chopper fun. Begin! So I've got these two bits, and I thought they would look really cool, like kind of laid out like this, with a nice blue river running down the middle. I think that would make an awesome phone case. Let's go pour some resin, bro! Alrighty, so I'm at my mixing station. I've just repurposed a little bit of food packaging into this rudimentary mould. I just sealed up the corners with a bit of sellotape, and I also stuck a bit of CA glue on the bottom of those bits of wood so that they stick in the mould. The resin I'll be using is this Glass Cast 10, and this is a specific resin that I bought for making secret wood rings, or wooden resin rings. So just mix them up, pour it in, and then add a bit of I've got some of this lovely blue pearlescent pigment. I've got some glow-in-the-dark pigment as well, which will stick a bit of that in there, and hopefully we'll get a cool phone case. It's got some measurements on there, so I'll just try and make 25 grams, which is 17 grams of resin for a start. So that's 10 grams of resin. I think I need a bit more. Let's do 50. So let's go to 34 grams of resin. Then for the 34 grams of resin I need 16 grams of hardener. So if I just tear this again, there we go, lovely. Alright, let's be generous with the pigment, just chuck loads of it in. There we go. Okay, I guess now we mix this up. looks really cool. Really nice vivid blue colour. I like the pearlescent feature as well. Looks awesome. Let's throw a bit of this blue glow powder in there for good measure. Okay, just pour it and see what happens. So I took this out of the mold, and I think it's looking pretty damn cool. It's going to take a bit of cleanup, admittedly, but it all went according to plan, and I've even got a bonus little co-op symbol in the back from where it was in a bit of food packaging. I'm going to go over and do a bit of a sanding montage and try and get a little bit of shape to this. So, I got a rough shape on it. I've done a bit of sanding. It's not going to be 100% fit, but I think it'll look pretty cool. I'm just going to go through now, do a bit of final sanding, shine them up, and then we'll stick it together and see what happens. Who knows? So I've done the sanding. I just sanded the back to 240 grit, and then on the front I just worked over with just up to kind of like 1200 grit. It's looking pretty good. Unfortunately, I've messed up a bit on the shaping, and it's not like a 100% perfect fit, but I think that's going to look really cool. So the next thing, we're going to put a finish on this. For the finish, I'm going to use this cut and polish from Chestnut Products. Just rub it in and then go over and give it a buff on a buffing wheel. This is like a fine abrasive paste that will also put a finish on the wood. So I'm hoping it will shine up the resiny bit, the epoxy bit, and then make the wood nice and smooth and shiny as well. It's time to glue them in, I think. So let's this has some adhesive in there already. I'm wondering if this will just stick in there pretty good. Anyway, whoa, resin wood foam case! Oh man, it looks so cool! Get that on my phone right now. Oh, does it fit? Have I got the right case? Yes! So sick! Mate, that looks awesome. Whoa, camera reception! Does it glow in the dark, I wonder? A little tiny bit. Can't really see it on camera, unfortunately. But it does glow. Thank you, as always, for watching. Your time is a finite resource, and I appreciate you spending it with me in my little shop. What did you think of the project? Leave me a comment with any tips, advice, suggestions, threats, whatever, and I'll respond to every single one of them, as I always do. As I mentioned at the start of the video, sign up to my newsletter. I'll send you a free ebook with tips and advice on how to start a business woodworking, as well as some woodworking projects that sell. And if you want to see more videos, go and watch some more on my channel and subscribe. Until next time, see you in the next one.